Time travel, the stuff of science fiction. The idea is so daunting that we are not able to let go of such a possibility. But for the time being, at least theoretically speaking, is it possible to travel through time? All the time travel movies you have watched, as scintillating as they are, is there any fact behind all that? Commonly in any time travel movies, they wouldn't tell you how it exactly works, because nobody knows how it exactly works. It is just a concept. Theoretical physicist Kip Thorne says otherwise. There is a way where we can travel through time, if general relativity proves to hold true in all scenarios. When it comes to time travel, traveling to the future is cakewalk, at least theoretically. You only need to travel at the speed of light or at extreme speeds, that is all. Special relativity dictates that clocks will tick slower at greater speeds or near a strong gravitational field. An astronaut who is traveling in space at extreme speeds will return to find his twin brother older than him. This is the twin paradox. This is due to the effect of time dilation. Hence, special relativity allows one to travel to the future. But what of traveling to the past? Many physicists believe that traveling to the past is forbidden by the universe. Special relativity states that as you approach the speed of light, time slows down, and at the speed of light, time stops. But what if you travel faster than light? We know this is not possible, as no object can travel faster than light. But let us say we can. Then theoretically, you can travel back in time to your past. But is there a way around to cheat the universe and travel to the past? Listen to the story of the first time traveler. Sometime in the near future, the first interstellar traveler is about to make the journey of his life. His mission is to travel to Alpha Centauri and come back. The trip would take him 10 years of his life. This would also mean that he will never see his loved ones ever again. Relativity is a cruel reality. But is there a way for him to somehow counteract the time dilation and return to present time? Along comes Kip Thorne with a solution. The man has to carry a device aboard the spaceship during his journey. He is to open the device only when he returns to Earth. After completing his mission, he returned to Earth only to find a futuristic planet 200 years into the future. The man opened the device now as instructed, which opened up a portal. On the other side, he saw his loved ones waving at him through the portal. The portal is a wormhole. Because the wormhole has traveled with him and has also undergone time dilation, it not only became a portal between 2 points in space, but also between 2 points in time. In other words, a time machine. This is a theory more plausible than traveling faster than light, but it needs the existence of wormholes. Wormholes are hypothetical objects that create a shortcut between 2 points in space through a higher dimension. It is just like a tunnel underground, except the tunnel doesn't exist in 3 dimensions of space, but in a higher dimension. There is no proof for the existence of wormholes, but certain solutions to general relativity allow them to exist. Just like how clocks in a moving spaceship tick slower, so wormholes inside a spaceship will also experience time dilation. So wormholes inside a moving spaceship can be used to travel through time. Now assuming that we have the technology to create wormholes large enough and stable enough for transport, we have the recipe for a time machine that could travel back in time. It would be cool if we can put this together. Even cooler if we can put them in a DeLorean.